The emergency services in the UK respond to thousands of 999 calls every day, helping and supporting those in need. According to the latest data from the Home Office, the total number of 999 calls received in England in 2020 was 31.4 million. Of these calls, around 70% were classified as immediate or priority incidents, which means they require an emergency response within 15 minutes. The most common types of incidents that require emergency response are related to medical emergencies, including cardiac arrests, strokes, and difficulty in breathing. In 2020, medical emergencies accounted for over 43% of all immediate or priority 999 calls. Other common reasons for calling 999 include road traffic accidents, fires, reports of antisocial behaviour. Road traffic accidents accounted for 7% of all immediate or priority calls in 2020, while fires accounted for 2%. Reports of antisocial behaviour, including vandalism and public disorder, account for 4% of all 999 calls. The COVID-19 pandemic has also had an impact on the types of 999 calls received. The Home Office reports that in 2020 there was a significant increase in the number of calls relating to mental health issues, including suicide and self-harm. These types of calls accounted for around 2% of all immediate or priority 999 calls. The high number of emergency 999 calls received can place significant pressure on emergency services, including the police, fire and rescue services and ambulance services.